Backyardigans. Spot the frog. Hi, I am Wizard Tyrone. These are my wizard friends, Uniqua and Pablo. To be master wizards, we need to turn a frog into a dog. We have got to find a frog first, said Wizard Tyrone. I spot a frog in the fog, called Wizard Pablo. This frog won't stop hopping, said Wizard Uniqua. The frog hopped into the pond. Wizard Pablo hopped in too. I got the frog, cried Wizard Pablo. Great job, said Wizard Tyrone. Drop him in this box so he cannot hop away. The wizard said, flip, flop, bop. They turned Wizard Tyrone into a rock. I think we got the words wrong, said Wizard Pablo. Let's try again. The wizards tried. Flip, flop, pop. Ah, said Wizard Pablo. We turned Wizard Uniqua into a doll. We forgot to nod our heads, said Wizard Tyrone. Let's try again. The wizards nodded and said, flip, flop, pop. The frog popped into a dog. We did it, cried Wizard Pablo. Ribbit, ribbit, said the dog as it hopped away. Hooray, the wizard said. We turned the frog into a dog that hops. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more of the Backyardigans stories, check out my Backyardigans playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.